Welcome to this meditation that will help you to relax a little bit more, to let go of all the energies that have been flying around you in the last period, in this very challenging time of COVID and so much more happening on the planet. And with this meditation, you will release any negative energy still hanging inside you and around you. So now please sit comfortably wherever you are and do a deep inhale and exhale. And with exhale, let go of anything still hanging inside you. And again, a deep inhale and exhale. And do it for a third time. A deep inhale and exhale. And we now ask for the heart portal to open to the 12th octave of light. We invite all the angels and archangels to merge their heart energy with our heart energies. And we give thanks and we ask to expand 1,000-fold in the sacred space. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings. And now imagine the heart chakra in the middle of your chest. It's like a bubble of light. It's like almost a little sun of beautiful light inside your chest in the middle. And in there is a flame. It's a flame of your heart. And now imagine this flame expanding inside your heart chakra, slowly. And now it further expands in your body. It's like this incredible light taking over your body, and your whole body becomes light, a bright light. And this bright light is now creating a bubble around your body of light. And now it's further expanding in the room where you are. And imagine everything is becoming bright light. And now it's expanding further. You're enveloping your whole building where you are with your bright light and with your heart flame. And then now expanding more and more. The whole area where you live is becoming bright light. And now more and more your city, wherever you are, is expanding. Now it's expanding, enveloping the region where you are. And now the country where you are. And slowly it's expanding like this beautiful wave of bright light. And now it's enveloping the continent where you are. And now it's expanding even more and more. And it's taking over the oceans. And the whole planet is somehow lit up by your heart, by this beautiful light and flame coming out of your heart. Because that is the power you have. You're an invincible power of your love. And feel the connection with all beings on the planet, the seen and the unseen beings, because you're holding them in your heart. And it is like the whole planet, the whole Mother Earth has shrunk and has moved inside your heart. And you're like holding Mother Earth in your heart, cocooning, protecting it, giving your love and your grace, your unconditional love. And now you see yourself in space, in the universe, surrounded by all these bright stars, by the galaxies. And you're still holding Mother Earth in your heart, protecting. And all the stars are sending you beam of light, or beautiful energies, replenishing the energies that you have lost. Receive all this beautiful light coming from the stars. Also faraway stars the human beings has never seen, and sending you their light. And they're having very fast, but it's so gentle. And your whole light, even if before you were very bright, now you are really like a star yourself. And now send back some of your light to the stars. And so doing, you balance what you have been receiving from the stars by sending them also your love, your light. And with this beautiful exchange of light, any dark energy, any negative energy has dissolved. They're all gone. You have shifted what was holding you back. And we give thanks to the beautiful stars for their gift to us, for the love they sent us. Now we can also give all these energies to Mother Earth that we're still holding in our heart chakra. And by doing this, we're also helping Mother Earth to shift any negative energies slowly. And this is a process that will happen for the next 7 days. Keep on holding Mother Earth inside your heart chakra for the next 7 days. And every time you wake up in the morning, and every time you get to bed at night and you close your eyes, please remember Mother Earth inside you. Remember to keep on nourishing her with this beautiful energy and love light that you have received from the stars. Keep on doing this work for the next 7 days, please. And do remember, the more you receive, the more you give. And the more you receive, the more you give. And be always generous with your love not just for Mother Earth, but for all beings. Remember, the more you give love, the more you receive. You will be never left without if you keep on giving it out. And while you're giving all this beautiful love light to Mother Earth, we are also giving it to all the beings, the seen and the unseen beings living on Mother Earth. And we give thanks for all we've been receiving from the moment of our conception inside our mothers. When not just our mother has been nourishing us, but Mother Earth has also been nourishing us and been gifting us our beautiful bodies. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks to our mothers, grandmother, great-great-grandmother, all the way back to 7 generations, for gifting us our beautiful bodies, for their generosity. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. And also we give thanks to Mother Earth for the abundance that she keeps on giving us every day, every day. We give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings. Blessed be Mother Earth, blessed be Mother Earth, blessed be Mother Earth. Blessed be the universe, blessed be the universe, blessed be the universe. And now gently, when you are ready, open your eyes and be very gentle with yourself for the next few hours, because you are going through a very deep process in a short period, and you're still receiving the light from the stars and giving it out to Mother Earth, all beings, the seen and unseen. Thank you for being with us today. Thank you.